Hi, Andrea here. So great to be with you. Okay, so here's today's thought for the day. How open are you to being loved? So think of this as a scale of 0, not at all, right? And none of these are wrong. Let me be clear with this. They're not wrong. It's just really, really a good idea to notice, right? So it could be like not at all, and it could be all the way up to 10, where I am massively open to being loved. I love being loved and I love loving others, right? So usually the two are interconnected. But let's start with you. Really, how open are you to being loved? And what would it take for you to be even more open to love? Perhaps you've been in a long-term relationship, it's getting a bit stale, and you're kind of waiting for Godot, waiting for something to happen, and nothing's happening. So it could be about you opening up a bit more, or you softening, you relaxing. How open are you to being loved? On a scale of 0 to 10, give yourself a number. There's nothing right, nothing wrong. You understand that, right? And then what would it take for you to be even more open to love? It could be creating more fun in your relationship. It could be anything that comes to mind. Okay. And remember to put your thoughts in the comments below. Can't wait to see them.